Trainmaster 1 here with CSX 2566. We're gonna do a video when we see this train come because there's green signals.
Whoa.
Oh, sorry about that.
I don't know where to.
And
I hear it.
when we see it, we'll be like, "Oh man, there it is!" No,
Yo,
we're not a foamer.
There it is.
We're not a foamer.
I see the lights coming around that bend. You see it?
Yeah, I think I see it too.
Yo, you hear the rumbling? What do you think? Not cheat, huh?
No. And alcohol.
I hope it's not on track 2. You know, we might be on. I hope it's on track 1, and then the train comes on track 2, because then if it's on track 2 and the other one comes on track 1, we'll be on the wrong side.
Yeah.
Where's this train? At least we know the signals are on, and there's something at least on.
I just wanted to do a video when
we.
Yeah, I hear that. Do a video when we see it.
Where the hell is this train?
A shock, and I'll probably continue the video.
Hopefully no one calls me in this video.
Yeah, if you hear something that goes da 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 da, that's my ringtone. Sorry.
Dude, this is a
I hear it.
Train.
I hear it.
No, it's just them working over
Yeah, the
it. Super fun.
the power plant. I hear it. I hear it. You hear that?
Oh yeah, there it is. I see a light.
There it is.
Yes. Can't tell what that is because of the fog.
Not Norfolk Southern.
No, it's intermodal. It might be 213.
No,
No.
214.
214 because, well, it doesn't have the auto racks. Dude, come on, come on. Track 2, what's yours?
Yeah, but it doesn't have it. The headlights are below the cab.
No,
So
actually, you don't know that. They could just be a different spot and you don't know.
yeah, but Norfolk Southern keeps their headlights. It might be something rare. Enjoy the show. You will hear no more talking. Just a pretty cool show. Hopefully another shave and haircut. CSX Intermodal probably. What is that? CSX.